Milford Sound National Park. I can show you this. That's the actual view of the number of people who are here. And there's people just running around because the bus is in that direction. There's Sylvia. Say hello, Sylvia.
Hey.
We're out for a little nature walk from the bus. My elbow's behind you, so look up. My elbow is behind you.
Yeah, I know.
I would call these ponds,
Yeah.
not lakes. They're nice, but I would definitely call them ponds and not lakes. There's some of the mirror action right there. You can see it really well here. It's coming out of the camera really well.
What?
The mirror, like, see it?
They right here.
Yeah. Yeah, trees going right to the boardwalk. Well, they've actually built the boardwalk around this tree. We have reached Milford Sound. A little bit of clear sky there. Already being bitten by sandflies.
The large waterfall on our right hand side, Bowen Falls, 162 metres, 534 feet. It's straight out. Waves can be more like 33 feet in height, closer to 10 metres. So who knows what we might get.
It is Mitre Peak, but you can't really see it here. Got a glimpse of it just a little earlier. Here's coming up to another waterfall. Rains here. This sound is just all waterfalls.
It being a bit of a wet one. Yeah, it's actually one of the wettest in the world at sea level, and it rains 2 out of 3 days on average. And I'd say there'll be more rain within a couple of hours. But when it falls. Looking deeper, you'll find that there's a bit of minerals around here as well. 20 metres above your head, there's 2 green stripes, high-grade copper as it oxidizes in the weather. All the same stuff as the Statue of Liberty. The orange rustic staining of the line. Seals that you'll now find these mountains, they go to the line banks.
these cliffs. Water's mostly being blown that way, feels like. Yeah.
Early 1950s. It's a space that you can compare the size with of Lebanon, Qatar, Jamaica. So it was 9 times bigger than LA. But for us now, we get to look at the trees, the flora and the fauna. There's certainly a lot more of that than there is people. There's about 300 that have worked here over the summer season, half that in winter.
Straight out to sea, the only time on this trip that we've looked straight out to sea. And the boat is rocking. Seals, it's hard to see it through the window here. There are some more seals there.
Go and immerse ourselves in the waterfall. So I really hope that we're looking in. No language barriers. Because if you stay outside, you punch up here in the wheelhouse, plenty of room. We'll be behind the windows, the wonders.
We're out on the deck after drizzling out lightly and it's pretty much cleared the deck.